Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting now, open phone settings and enable call blocking and spam identification so your device learns patterns. Then, turn on your carrier's spam protection feature. This moves obvious spam to voicemail before you answer. Finally, create a single contact labeled spam and block repeat offenders as they appear. Once done, make sure automatic identification remains enabled because proactive filtering reduces interruptions and teaches the system what to stop. Next, you add layers. Report any missed spammers using your carrier's web portal so networks can blacklist sources. Install a trusted third-party call filtering app for advanced risk scoring and community reports. Make sure permissions are limited to calls only. Then, configure Do Not Disturb to allow calls from favorites or contacts only, which prevents unknown numbers from ringing at all. Once configured, monitor the app's quarantine and adjust sensitivity as false positives appear, keeping important calls flowing. Finally, you close the loop by updating your phone OS and carrier settings to get the latest spam signatures. Enable stir/shaken caller ID verification when available so spoofed ID are flagged. If calls persist, file a complaint with regulators and your carrier using call logs as evidence. As a last resort, consider a temporary number or toggle voicemail screening on. Troubleshooting tip: if real calls are blocked, lower filter sensitivity and whitelist essential numbers immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.